Oh my god! Hi, I wanted to do more where I take you out and about and kind of show you different treatments that us guys can do. So today, I'm gonna go and get my eyebrows threaded and also tinted. They are bushy, there's a lot going on. I just wanna get them sorted. So this is what you can expect. This is very plush. This is all gonna be very casual, Eve, so do not worry.
Okay.
This is Eve's first time on camera.
Okay.
Yeah. So what are we starting with?
We are doing eyebrow tinting now.
Eyebrow tinting,
yeah.
Okay.
Have you done it before?
I had my eyebrows tinted 2 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah. And I just kind of want to see what we can do again. So after this, I'll have it threaded, but obviously just a bit of colour.
Can I start?
Sure.
Yeah. So, color-wise, because now it's kind of matching your hair color.
Yeah.
So, would you like to go slightly darker?
Let's go slightly darker, yeah. Is that what you'd recommend?
Yeah, but just like a bit darker, I think. Yeah.
Like I like your eyebrows.
Okay.
Yeah. If I can have them, then that'd be great.
That color. Okay.
That colour. So what's involved? What is this? Is it dye?
This isn't dyed. Then we're gonna put a peroxide in it and just mix it together.
And how long does this last?
Usually like 2-3 weeks. It
Yeah.
depends from person. Okay.
And this is barrier cream.
Yeah. Just to protect skin around so we don't.
So it stops you from kind of dyeing the skin.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So you're literally just applying this with a little brush.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's quite an image right now, isn't it?
It's all.
And you don't feel it, like it doesn't sting, it doesn't, no, it's not hot, it's just, it's soft, yeah.
Okay, so you can see that it's quite darker. Yeah. Still matching with your hair. We can do it again.
Oh yeah.
If you want to, but I wouldn't go too dark.
So you left that on for how long? Like, it was like
2
3
minutes.
minutes. 2 minutes,
2
yeah.
minutes, yeah.
So you can see, guys, this one's obviously still developing, and this one, that's it. I like that. So it's just slightly darker, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
And I should say, because I've had this done before, it's fine. But you would normally do a patch test, or you would check the skin.
Yeah. For the first time, you should always do a patch test, just to be safe.
Just to be safe with your skin.
Yeah.
Good. Look at those. Yeah, enjoyable. Yeah, I like.
Good.
Thank you.
That's about it, really quick.
And that's about it, really super quick. That was like start to finish, like 7 minutes. Maybe not even. 5 minutes. From the eyebrow tinting with Eve, we've got Claudio. Claudio,
hello, hi.
You're now going to do the threading, aren't you?
Yes, we're doing the thread now.
I have had them threaded before, and I liked it. So I'm just ready to get everything sort of neatened, I think. So threading is quite literally thread, and it's like a technique.
Yes. Yeah. But I do with hand. Usually they do with the mouth. Yeah. But I do with the hands.
Okay. And do you get a lot of guys coming in here for eyebrow threading?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Plenty.
And what's the main difference between eyebrow threading?
It lasts more than actually wax.
Wax or what, like plucking with tweezers?
Or plucking, yeah. Lasts more, like 2 weeks more, something like that.
Because it's literally pulling the hair out.
Out, yeah.
Okay.
Painful?
I'm Scottish, I can do this. It's just kind of a bit tickly. How often would someone really have to get this done?
I'd say like once a month.
Yeah. That is the most painful bit on the top. 100%.
No, you will see when we go down.
Oh really? Okay, great.
Yeah. You need to pull it this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is because you need to stretch the skin.
You stretch the skin, yeah.
Okay, you're right. This is the sore bit. Oh wow. Oof. That's that one done. Oh my god! This one is far more sore than the other one. Why? Why is that?
Okay, have a look.
Let's have a look.
Okay. Yeah.
That was really painful in there. Yeah.
Yeah, how's it feel?
Good.
What do you think?
Good.
Okay.
Bit of moisturiser, take the heat off it.
Yeah.
Because you're obviously going to have a little bit of redness.
And of course, yeah.
If you say had someone coming in for like a wedding or a party, how far ahead should they get this done for the event?
A day before.
A day, okay.
Yeah. Woo, we are done.
Thank you, we're done. Look at that. So we've had eyebrow tinting with Eve, and then eyebrow threading with Claudio.
Hello. Hi.
Hi again. I'm pleased that I would say, guys, don't be scared of this. It's not as painful as you think. I mean, Claudio was right with the underside, and it's so quick, and it's just really neatened it up. I think we'll see, like on Instagram and Instagram stories, I'll do little updates of how the eyebrows are going.
Your hair is very fine as well.
Yeah.
So it's not too thick. Usually, sometimes you need to use tweezers as well.
Really? Okay.
Oh, yours was fine only with the thread or something.
So like my eyebrow hair is obviously the same as the hair on my head, because that's very fine.
Yeah.
So yeah. But there you go, guys. We'll have more of these. Next week I will have one where I'm getting my moustache trimmed. We'll show you how that's done in a barbershop. But if you've liked this and you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hit subscribe. The button is going to be just up there. There'll also be more video suggestions down there, and a link to my blog, it will be there. But I'll see you in the next new video. It will be Thursday. Bye bye.